Hey everyone, I'm here with a mystery box from Speed Society. They give away really cool cars. They modify them. They sell tickets for a drawing. And this current giveaway is for an Audi RS6. It's like the wagon, but it's souped up, 800 horses. Really nice design. It's got air suspension, stuff like that. Exhaust is all tuned. So they do these giveaways, and there's a lot of these sites that do these giveaways. But this one is Speed Society, and they actually have, I'm wearing one from a previous drawing. They have some really cool swag, shirts, and various other things, cleaning products that you could use on your own car. And when you buy some of their products, you can even just buy tickets, entries. You don't even have to buy a product. But I bought the mystery box this time. It just arrived, so I've never opened one. So it was $90 for this. And I got 14,400 entries for the drawing, which is going to be in a few days. You can dream. Anyway, at least I have a shot. So I'm going to open this mystery box right now. There's a chance there could be $1,000 cash in this box. And I wasn't sure if it was even true because you're sending cash through the mail. But then I saw customers' reviews with their photos, and I'm like, wow, there is cash in the box. So here it is. This says here, official giveaway entry ticket. Thank you for speeding. Okay. Well, there is cash in the box. And it is $7. It wasn't $1,000. So close to $1,000, but it was only a 5 and 2 ones. All right. And now I see another shirt, a mystery shirt, kind of the color I'm wearing, a little darker. But they usually have nice logos, and it's a nice, I like the name too, Speed Society, right? All right, so here's the shirt. Here's the front. The front of the shirt. And the back of the shirt. Pretty cool. This is a 2X. I like roomy shirts. And when you wear a baggy shirt, people say, "Did you lose weight?" And they're like, "Oh, well, maybe a little." But you didn't. You just bought bigger clothes. But these are nice. This is a 60-40, 60 cotton, 40 poly. So it feels a little softer. It's a little stretchier. Right? It's nice. It's nice. Okay, so that's that. I got $7 and a shirt. Okay. Now, let's see what else. Here is a bottle of car soap, Speed Society car soap. So I'll get to use this on my car, Porsche Macan. I get to use this. A little push. Yeah, I have one of those power washing guns that's got the soap bottle on one end, and then it's got plain water on the other end. So I'm sure that'll work with that. Okay, feels like another t-shirt in here. 2 t-shirts. Wow, this one's black. Black. Get away, bug. Oh, a lot of bugs around as soon as the red light went on the camera. Hey, here they are again. So, this one is also 60-40. Whoa. This one Speed Society. And on the back, pretty neat. Pretty neat. So yeah, I'll be wearing this. It's almost hard to read. It's almost like it's in secret code, and only those that know. You know what I'm saying? All right, so that's a second shirt. Okay, my wife's gonna kill me. She says I already have too many shirts. Right, guys? Am I right? Oh, wives. Anyway, looks like a sticker. Speed Society. Fast since forever. There's a sticker. Could be multiple. It's 2 stickers. Two of the same. Pretty cool. And let's see. You need air fresheners, right? Though I don't hang them off the mirror. I usually get the ones that you put under your car seat, you know. But this is like a racing helmet sticker. Probably smells like axle grease. I'm kidding. I don't know. There's another air freshener. It's the last thing in the box. So, in conclusion, that's it. I got $7 cash. So it was like exactly $100 with tax. So I saved $7. It only cost me $93. And I got the soap. I got the burgundy shirt, black shirt, 2 air fresheners, and 2 stickers. That's from Speed Society. Now all I need to do is win that Audi RS6 and put it on my driveway, because I love Audi. I've had 3 of them. I've had a TT, I've had an A6, and I've had an S3. So they're nice. So good luck to everyone out there trying to win one of these cars. And we'll see you on the next mystery unboxing video. This is Mobius 818. I don't usually say that. I got to work that in more, especially in the beginning of the video. But, you know, I'm winging it. I make these videos mostly just for me. And if you happen to see it, well, that's good too. So take care for now, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.